Welcome back to Artsy Island Girl Jamaican Vlogs. I'm Artsy and today is our bonus video. Should Jamaica join BRICS? What are the disadvantages and advantages? And Jamaica is not a member of BRICS and there have been no formal discussions or indications that it intends to join this group. However, I've seen many calling for this to happen. Here's an analysis of the potential advantages and disadvantages if Jamaica were to consider joining BRICS, as well as a brief history of BRICS. BRICS is an acronym that represents an association of 5 major economies: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. The group was originally known as BRIC when it was founded in 2006, with the inclusion of South Africa taking place in 2010, making it BRICS. Here is a brief history. BRIC was initially coined by Jim O'Neill, an economist, in 2001 to describe 4 emerging economies that were expected to play a significant role in the global economy in the 21st century. The first formal BRIC summit took place in 2009 in Russia, where the group discussed ways to enhance cooperation in various fields, including economics, politics, and global governance.
The first ever BRIC summit is getting underway in Russia. The U.S. dollar's status as a reserve currency is sure to be one hot item under debate.
In 2010, South Africa was invited to join the group, expanding it to BRICS. BRICS has since held annual summits with member countries working together on various issues such as economic development, trade, and geopolitical matters. Here are some advantages of Jamaica joining BRICS. Economic cooperation. Jamaica could benefit from increased economic cooperation with some of the world's largest emerging economies. Market access. Jamaica could gain access to the large consumer market of BRICS countries. For example, Jamaica's agricultural products like coffee could find a substantial market in BRICS nations, particularly in China and India, due to their large populations. Trade with BRICS nations might open up new markets for Jamaican goods and services. Then we have trade agreements. Membership in BRICS might facilitate trade agreements that are more favorable to Jamaica. BRICS nations could offer preferential trade terms, reducing tariffs and trade barriers for Jamaican exports. Investment opportunities. Membership in BRICS could attract foreign direct investment from BRICS nations, leading to economic growth and job creation in Jamaica. BRICS countries have been known to invest in infrastructure development in other countries. For instance, China's Belt and Road Initiative has led to significant investments in infrastructure projects worldwide. Joining BRICS could attract such investments to Jamaica, improving its infrastructure and connectivity. Then we have geopolitical influence. Joining BRICS could give Jamaica a platform to exert more influence on global political and economic issues, as BRICS nations often coordinate their positions on international matters. And then we have technology transfer. BRICS members have advanced technology sectors. Membership could open doors for technology transfers and collaborations in sectors like renewable energy and telecommunications. Now here are some disadvantages of joining BRICS. Economic disparities. Jamaica's economy is significantly smaller than those of BRICS countries. Joining the group may expose Jamaica to economic disparities and competition it may not be fully prepared for. Dependency. Increased economic ties with BRICS countries could lead to dependency on them, potentially making Jamaica vulnerable to shifts in the global economy or the political agendas of BRICS members. Differing interests. The BRICS nations have diverse interests and priorities. Jamaica would need to carefully navigate these differences and ensure its own interests are being protected in negotiations and collaboration. Then there is possible political strain. Jamaica may find itself in a delicate position regarding global geopolitics if it aligns too closely with BRICS. This could potentially strain relations with traditional Western allies such as the United States and European countries. In conclusion, whether Jamaica should join BRICS is a complex decision that would depend on numerous factors, including its own economic and political objectives, the willingness of BRICS nations to accept Jamaica as a member, and the potential benefits and drawbacks for Jamaica's economy and global standing. While there are potential benefits to Jamaica joining BRICS, there are also significant challenges and risks that should be carefully considered. Jamaica would need to conduct a thorough cost-benefit analysis and engage in extensive diplomatic negotiations to protect its interests and navigate the complexities of international relations effectively. Let me know what you think in the comments.